Okay friends, to get started on our fog lamp assembly, we're going to come right underneath the bumper here. You're going to find an access hole where you can access the bulb itself. We'll go ahead and take that out, and then there's going to be 2 mounting screws. Twist that counterclockwise, slide it out of there. We're just going to take a peek at that bulb, make sure it's in good condition, put it back up in there and set it aside. Do the same to the other side of the car. Now I went ahead and pulled down the bumper cover so you can have a nice clear view of what's going on. You're going to have 2 mounting bolts right there. We're going to use a T20 to remove both of those bolts. Now you just want to push from the backside and you're going to push it right out through the front. There it is. Okay, so now we can go ahead and put in our brand new fog lamp assembly. This screw right up along here is the adjustment screw, so you can aim your fog lamp up or down as needed. On the back side, we have where the bulb's going to be. We're just going to take this, we're going to come through the front of the bumper assembly here. You can see where I have the adjustment. It's lining up with the slot in the bumper cover. We'll just go ahead and press it right in and we're going to listen for a click. There we are. We've got a tab here and a tab there. I can see that they're completely locked in. Let's grab our 2 mounting bolts and put them in. Just start that one in. We'll start in the other one and then we'll snug them up. There we are. And now we'll just go ahead and take that wiring. We're going to slide it right in here. Listen for a click and give it a nice tug.